Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare bottle gourd, which is also known as kaddu or lauki, along with split chickpeas, which is also known as chane ka dal or chana dal in Hindi. The ingredients that I am going to add are, along with the bottle gourd and the split chickpeas, here I have taken half tablespoon of coriander powder, salt as per taste, half tablespoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 onions medium size I have chopped them, 2 red chilies. I'll be using oil for cooking, and along with all these things I'll be using water for cooking. This is half a kg of bottle gourd, which I have cut them in small pieces, and this is 300 grams of chana dal, which I have soaked for 15 minutes. So now what I am going to do, I'm first going to pressure cook this dal. So I am going to put this in the pressure cooker and will cook this for 2 whistles. Here I have added sufficient water for the dal to boil and the chana dal in the pressure cooker. I am going to add little bit of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and just little bit of salt. We'll add salt later, so do not add more salt to this. Just little bit of salt. Then I have coated the cover of the pressure cooker with oil so that the dal doesn't spill out. So now I am going to cover the pressure cooker and cook it. First whistle will be on high flame. The next whistle, the second whistle, will be on low flame. So here our dal is boiled. It's still, still pressure is there in this cooker. So I'll just keep it aside. By the time, let's cook the masala and the bottle gourd. So here I am heating 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. I am using mustard oil for cooking because I love the flavor of mustard oil. You can use any other oil of your choice to prepare this recipe of yours. So here our oil is heated. I am going to add the chopped onions. I have chopped 2 medium size onions. And I'll cook this till it changes its color a bit, becomes a little soft. So here our onions are cooked. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Remember, when you are adding this, lower the flame or else your onions will get burnt, and then all the dry spices. And I'll cook these spices all together properly till it starts leaving the oil and it gets mixed up properly and cooked well. As I am sorting the masalas, the spices, I'm going to add the red chilies. I'm adding it whole. You can also add 1 tablespoon of water so that the spices get cooked properly. Here our spices are cooked. As you can see, it started leaving oil. Now I am going to add the bottle gourd. And I will mix it with the spice completely and cook this for near about 2 minutes like this. Now our bottle gourd is nicely coated with the spices, and now what we are going to do, I have sauteed it for 2 minutes. On a low flame, I am going to cover and cook this for 5 minutes on a low flame so that our bottle gourd absorbs the spices and it becomes little soft. Now after 5 minutes, I'll remove the lid, and as we can see, the bottle gourd has become little softer and it has thrown water. So our curry has little water in it now, and this water came out from the bottle gourd. I have not added any water to this recipe. Now what I'm going to do is, here I have kept the cooked dal in the pressure cooker, which I have pressure cooked it. I'm going to add that dal to this bottle gourd. Now I am going to mix it with the bottle gourd, because the bottle gourd needs to have the flavor of the dal and the dal should have the flavor of the bottle gourd. So I am going to mix it properly. And I will cover this and let it get cooked for near about 3 minutes. Now, as you can see, it's boiling and the consistency, I believe, of the dal has become thick and it's well merged with the bottle gourd. Yes, you can check the salt at this stage. My bottle gourd is also cooked. Yes, perfectly cooked. So my dal is ready. Now friends, I have added the garam masala with all the dry spices. If you want, you can add your garam masala now, or else just like how I have added, you can add them. So here my dal is ready. You can sprinkle freshly chopped coriander leaves. I don't have it now, so I'll put off the flame, and now let's plate it. So here is our chana dal and bottle gourd ready. This dal goes well with rotis. You can also have this with plain boiled white rice. It's quite easy to make and very flavorful, as we have added a lot of spices. Do try this recipe out, friends, and let me know how it is. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipes. See you soon, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.